Hello. Okay, can you see teacher?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's answer the questions about the people in your family. Okay, here we go, potato. Okay, potato. Inside your house, who is the oldest in the house? Potato, who's the oldest in the house? Again, it's your. Oh, very good. And here, how about who is the youngest in the house?
The baby boy.
Oh, what's the name of the baby boy in the house? It's
Teen.
Putin. Okay, Putin is the youngest. How old is Putin? How old is Putin?
2 years old.
Oh, very young, 2 years old. Next here, who is the loudest in the house? Very loud noise in the house.
Putin.
Putin? Putin too? Putin will shout? Huh? That makes Putin the loudest. And how about the quietest in the house?
No.
No one? So everyone is talking in the house?
What?
Everyone is talking in the house? They are loud in the house? Oh,
Yeah.
so no one is quiet in the house. Here, how about who's the cleverest in the house? Very intelligent.
Yeah.
Who's the cleverest in the house? It's potato. Who's the cleverest in the house? It's
Papa.
hmm? Who's the cleverest? It's okay. Who is the cleverest? Potato.
Me. No,
You?
no, no, no.
You're the cleverest?
My brother.
Oh, brother. What's the name of brother?
Ken.
Okay.
In
So,
school, in school, my brother name is Quang Anh.
Juan. Oh, Juan is the cleverest. Okay. How about who's the busiest in the house? Always busy in the house. Who is that? Who's the busiest in the house? It's busiest. Many things to do. Who is that? Who's busy? It's
Let me.
Okay.
Grandmother and mother.
Oh, so grandmother and mother are the busiest. What do they do in the house, Potato? Can you tell teacher? What
They are.
what do they do in the house?
Let me.
Okay.
Yes. Speak
Again, she.
and speak in the house.
Do they clean the house?
Yeah.
Oh,
No,
are
no.
no? Are they the one to cook food?
Just speak.
Oh, how about cooking the food? Who cooks food in the house?
What?
Who cooks the food? Cooking. Who cooks the food in
My
the
dad and my mother.
Oh, your dad and your mother can cook. And here, number 7. How about who's the prettiest? Potato. Who is the prettiest in the house? It. The prettiest in the house is.
Let me.
Okay.
No,
No,
don't.
no one is pretty in the
Let
house.
me. Yeah.
How about your mom? Okay. Here, how about who is the naughtiest? Oh, Potato. Who is the naughtiest in the house? Always playing. Naughtiest. Naughtiest is
Noah.
No one is naughty. Oh, everyone is behaved. Oh, here. How about who is the coolest? Cool.
Me.
You. Wow. Potato is the coolest. And here, how about who is the silliest?
Putin.
Putin. Okay. Thank you for your answers, Potato. Very good. Okay, here. Look at here, Potato. Please read. Please read. In reading and writing part
Using
5.
part the uniformly incorporated that uniformly done like that for the mother and father parent. Then for dad, mom, grandpa, grandma.
Are
Grandma.
often.
Grandma. The
Okay.
often used name the store.
Okay. So here, sorry, Potato, look at here. So we have here the synonyms. Synonyms are words with the same meaning. If we say that, that's the same with father. Okay. If we say mother and father, we call them parents. Okay. Now here there are for less formal words, meaning they are not formal words like that, mom, grandpa, grandma. They are shortened words, okay? Words that are shortened. All right, here, Potato, please
Ah,
go. On holiday at the farm. Please read. Potato, please read. On holiday.
my name is Alex. Không con chịu mà brother
Oh,
Peter.
you read properly.
Nói
Wait,
nữa là
Potato, read properly. Do not read fast. Slowly. Go. Hello, my name's Ben. Go. Please read.
hello, my name is Ben. I live in the country with my parents and my brother Peter. Peter is younger than me. He is 5 and I am 12. Last Saturday, Dad took us all to grandparents' farm is called. It's been called Grandma and Grandpa to farm near the sea. We love going there. Ben and Peter
Oh, look at here. Okay,
in the
we are
town.
go
Ben
okay.
is 12 years old.
Okay, Potato,
The
let's
children
continue.
went to grandfather's farm by sea last.
What's the
Ben,
answer?
father drove by.
Oh, what's the answer number 1? The children went to their grandparents' farm by the sea last. When was that? Last.
What?
What's the answer number 1? Let's complete the sentence. When did they go to the sea? Oh, look at here. Listen first to the story. Hello, my name's Ben. I live in the town center with my parents and my brother Peter. Peter's younger than me. He's 5 and I'm 12. Last Saturday, Dad took us all to our grandparents' farm in his car. Grandma and Grandpa lived on a farm that's near the sea. We love going there. Potato number 1. Potato number 1.
Wait.
Okay. Okay, number 1, Potato. The children went to their grandparents' farm by the sea last. What day was that they went to the farm? Last
Farm.
What's the day? Is it Monday? They went to the grandparents' house.
Saturday.
Okay, let's check. Very good. Saturday, number 2. Potato, read number 2.
Then his father and then his father traveled by
What did they use to go there? Ben and his brother and father traveled by?
car.
Okay, very good. Okay, next, Potato, please read. There's always something. Go, please read.
Always something is late to go and see their home. On Sunday, my brother asked, we can go to see the horse.
Horses.
Grandpa said, I can show you two new baby horses. They only 1 week old. Like you to tell name of them. Grandpa said, good idea, Grandma said.
Okay, what's the answer? There's always something exciting to go and see at their farm. On Sunday, my brother asked, can we go and see the horses, Grandpa? Yes, Grandpa said. And I can show you our 2 new baby horses. They're only 1 week old. I'd like you to choose names for them. Grandpa added. Good idea, Grandma said.
Baby horses.
Okay, look at here. The children went to see too. Your answer is
Baby
baby
horses.
Very good. Next. Number 4.
And the boy chose baby horses.
Okay. Grandpa asked the boys to choose the baby horses. What? Baby horses? What is it? Grandpa asked the boys
Name.
Name. Very good. Again, Potato. Which animals did Ben see at the farm? Potato?
Horses.
Horses. And what did Grandpa ask the boys to choose? Name. Correct. Okay, next. Okay, 5 to 7, Potato. Peter and I. Go.
Peter and I laugh. Then he saw a baby.
Horses.
They had pretty brown eyes. And
And funny. Come on, funny. Funny noises.
And one did not say anything. Her name all cloudy and dark. On Monday, we both wrote a mission. Grandpa and always hot. Brown and bacon field. Peter and I looked at her. It was fantastic.
Okay, it was fantastic. Not fantastic. Fantastic. Okay. Very good. So Peter and I laughed when we saw the baby horses. They had pretty brown eyes and made funny noises when we said, your names are Cloudy and Star. Oh, Potato, remove the color. I cannot see. I cannot read. Thank you. So on Monday, we both rode Mr. Jim. That's Grandpa's oldest horse, around the biggest field. Peter and I really loved that holiday. It was fantastic. Number 5, Potato. Please read 5. The boys. Oh, remove the color so we will finish fast. Oh, number 5. Read 5. The boys.
The boy called to baby horse.
Okay, horses, not horse. Okay, horses. Again, horses.
What?
Horses, not baby horse. It's 2. Horses.
Horses.
Next, number 6. The boys rode.
The boys rode around father.
The boys rode Mr. Jim around their grandfather's.
What?
What's number 6? Grandfather.
What?
What's number 6? The boys rode.
Uncle Hope.
Okay. The boys rode Mr. Jim around their grandfather's what? Where did they ride before? Again?
The Uncle Hope.
Oh, let's check. Number 6. What's the answer? Look at number 6. What? Biggest farm. Okay, next. Number 7. Ben. Go.
Ben and his brother enjoyed it.
Not enjoy it. Enjoyed.
Enjoy holiday.
Okay, very good. Holiday a lot. Very good, Potato, because you know how to read. Oh, there you go. We finished the entire lesson 9, but we still have 10 minutes left. So we will go to another lesson, okay? Let's have, wait me. Let's have Unit 10. Okay, wait me, Potato. Okay, what is Unit 10 all about? It's people. Okay, people in our street. Okay, there, Potato. I want you to listen to the audio and tell me or put a tick on the correct answer. Can you write a check mark? Potato, can you put a check mark? Yeah. Okay. So here, Potato, listen well and put a tick on your answer. Okay, are you ready? Ready? Potato, ready? Yeah. Okay, here we go.
10B. People in our street. Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. Which is Lily's house?
Which is your house, Lily? Is it the one with the grey roof?
No, our house hasn't got a garden and its roof is red.
Oh, okay. And what colour is the door?
Blue, my favourite colour.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What's Dan's father doing now?
What's Dad doing, Mum? Is he washing his car again?
No, Dan. Look, he's playing with the puppy.
Ah, great! Can I go and see?
Yes, but put your coat on first.
2. What are Lily and Dan playing?
Are Lily and Dan playing table tennis?
Not today. And Dan didn't want to play football.
Oh, so they're playing badminton?
That's right. They like doing that.
3. How does Dan's mother go to work? Hello, Dan. How does your mum travel to work? By bus?
She goes on the train. It's quicker.
Does she ride her bike to work sometimes?
No, she never does that.
4. What's on Mr. Field's balcony?
Mr. Field's got a new pet, Mum. It's on his balcony.
Is it a rabbit?
No, it's a parrot. Look.
Oh, yes. What kind of pet would you like?
A kitten.
5. Who's waiting at the bus stop?
Is that your mum at the bus stop?
No, it's my best friend's grandmother.
Oh. Which bus stop's there?
The number 1. It goes to the beach.
Okay, Potato, listen again to the audio, okay? Listen and review. Okay, review. Are you done or not?
Yeah.
Oh, how about number 5? No answer for 5.
Yeah.
5.
Listen again.
Okay. Number 5. Listen to number 5.
Does that?
For 5.
4. What's on Mr. Field's balcony?
Mr. Field's got a new pet, Mum. It's on his balcony.
Is it a rabbit?
No, it's a parrot. Look.
Oh, yes. What kind of pet would you like?
A kitten.
5. Who's waiting at the bus stop?
Is that your mum at the bus stop?
No, it's my best friend's grandmother.
Oh. Which bus stop's there?
The number 1. It goes to the beach.
Okay, Potato, are you done?
You are
Okay, you tell me the answer. I'll be the one to encircle. What's your answer, number 1? Letter B. Number 2, letter C. Number 3, letter
I. Ready.
this one.
Ready.
Okay. You'll do it by yourself. Okay, you're done? Okay, Potato, you're okay now?
Yes.
Okay, let's check. Number 1. What is Dan's father doing? Your answer is letter B. Let's check. Dan's father is, very good, playing a puppy. Number 2. What are Lily and Dan playing? The answer is, it's not table tennis, but it's a badminton. Okay, it's badminton, Potato. Number 3. How does Dan's mom work? Go to work. The answer is, very good. It's by train. Letter A. Next, number 4. What is on Mr. Field's balcony? The answer is a parrot. But He likes candy. Okay, so parrot is the answer. Number 5. Who is waiting at the bus stop? It's the grandmother. Okay, potato, you've got two correct answers. So next time, potato, on Thursday, we will do this again. Okay? We will answer this one again next time. Okay? Because it's already time. All right. So potato, that would be all for today. Thank you for coming in today's class and goodbye. Bye-bye, potato.